So good day everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fritz Lawrence Jacob Ma and I'm BSIT student and I will explain my code. Import Java util queue, import Java util linked list. So kaning queue and linked list na akong gi-import is the necessary classes for using queue and linked list. Public class queue, public class so ari mo malocate ang project. Public static void main string args. Mao ni ang main method. If wala kay main method dili mo code. Queue string, queue equals new, create a queue that holds string elements implemented by linked list. So kaning mga queue offer kay nag-add the names of the planets to the queue using the offer method to add elements. So like queue offer Mercury, queue offer Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. So system out print in queue, print the entire queue to show its current contents. Queue poll, remove the first elements of the queue. Mercury, this simulates FIFO behavior. System out print in Mercury, print the elements Mercury to show which planet was removed. System out print in queue, print that update queue after removing the first element. System out print in queue, pick at the front element of the queue without removing it. Venus is now the front. System out print in queue is empty. Check if the queue is empty. It should return a false as there are still elements. System out print in queue contains Jupiter. Check if the queue contains the element Jupiter. It should return true. System out print in queue size. Print the size of the queue. It should be 9 after removing Mercury. That's all. Thank you.